My name is Chef Fran, and guess what I have for you today? Egg salad. I know some people who love egg salad, some people who don't. I definitely enjoy it. If you watch my channel, you know I love to jazz everything up. Don't want to have the typical boring, just mayo with your egg salad, a little seasoning. I want to have a variety of colors. Green for your celery, red for your red bell peppers, orange for your carrots. Ha, twist, right? You weren't expecting that. And of course, we can't let this go without having one of my favorite foods, bacon. And I'm having turkey bacon. So get ready to give your palate a real party today with egg salad. So now we're gonna start with our mayo. I may not add all of this mayo depending how it looks here. So I'm just gonna kind of go with most of it. Okay. I wanna add our Himalayan salt because our eggs have no salt in it. So I call these loves. So that was one love I had before. And now I'm gonna add 2 loaves. Maybe this is now 3 loaves. My black pepper, 1 love. And we know that eggs definitely need some seasoning in it. That was 2 loaves. And I think I'm just gonna call it 3 and a little extra. I'm gonna come back and put my smoked paprika. But I'm feeling like it needs a little bit more. I didn't grab a nice big pinch for the Himalayan salt. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this right now. Look at all that yellow. I may have to add the rest of my mayo, it looks like, because I have great veggies coming in. And so we don't want our egg salad should never be dry. What I'm gonna do first is go ahead and add the rest of our vegetables, and I'll come back and add more mayo. Let me go in and add our honey Dijon. And here is our Dijon. And now we wanna add our red bell peppers. Let's add our celery right here. And we want to add our carrots right here. And our relish. Okay. Okay. All mixed right there. And the last thing we want to add is our wonderful bacon right here. All that bacon. This is a salad that you can make for any time. It could be for the women's luncheon at church. It could be your breakfast with a nice croissant, which we're gonna definitely have today. This is something that you definitely kind of get your double protein because you have the protein from the eggs naturally, and then you also have the protein from your turkey bacon. Now, when you normally see an egg salad, do you normally see it with all this burst of flavor in here and color? I'm telling you, I'm giving you great new things so you keep putting all this nutrition and nutrients in your body, but at the same time, you're elevating what would be commonly an egg salad. It's very simple into something that looks beautiful. All these variety of colors. Look at the bacon. Look at the red from the bell peppers. And look at the relish in here. Look at the celery. Oh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Now, we pretty much have mixed it. And I don't think we need any more mayo now that I'm looking at it, that it's complete. This is beautiful. Look at this. Don't you guys want to try this? So what we're gonna do is put in our gem here, smoked paprika. We want to put a little bit of parsley in here. And let's mix that in. All right, so I'm gonna go get our platter and we're gonna eat and taste it together. And here are a list of ingredients. Look at that wonderful salad. Gently turning it. Here's our vitamin content. Wow, look at this beautiful egg salad. And we have our croissant and we have our crackers. So again, if you have a women's luncheon at church or just a family get together, it'll be nice to pair it with some croissant, kind of make you look a little fancy. I have crackers for our everyday living, so let me put some for like my snack. Let's taste it. Wow. The bell pepper is coming out for that freshness and the crunchiness of the carrot and the celery. You even taste the smoked paprika. This is super good, and it's creamy from the Miracle Whip and the mayo. Having a little celebration here in my mouth. Now, I put on croissant. So this is like really great for breakfast. If you have leftovers, for lunch, take it to work. So good. Really, all that burst of flavors of the vegetables, nutrition in here, vitamins. So definitely want to try this recipe. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to hit the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug. And hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. That lets me know that you're enjoying the things that I'm doing, putting out for you. And comment. We do answer, we engage. We want to engage with you. And most of all, share this video with your family and friends, because sharing is caring. And I really enjoyed you hanging out with me today, learning how to make this egg salad that's full of protein and vegetables. And listen, if you don't want to add the bacon, you don't have to. I always say cooking is all about your own creativity, your own style, redefining the wheel. I would love to hear what you did, if you used every ingredient, if you omitted things. I look forward to hearing from you soon. And come hang out with me again. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow. Subscribe for more